Milwaukee mud mixer, it performed right on par with any type of corded mixer I've used. It performs flawlessly.
Well, to have the torque on a cordless unit was very surprising. It doesn't dog down, it doesn't hesitate, it gets through what we need it to do.
So I've mixed everything from a self-leveler, which is very thin and flowing, all the way up to floor mud, which is a very dry consistency, and it mixed everything great.
There was no question that it stood up to the corded mixers.
Milwaukee mud mixer is the only one I've ever seen with the variable speed control.
Mixing our grout, which is a thinner based mud, is nice to have the variable speed because the lower speeds makes it a lot more consistent.
Having a battery operated tool is so efficient. If I have a couple batteries charged up, in addition to all my other Milwaukee tools, I can do my job every day.
Very impressed with the battery life because there's a lot of power that goes into mixing the mud.
The cordless mixer allows me to go wherever I want to go to mix my product.
Little feature I like is the little chuck key in the handle built in.
The rotating handle on the Milwaukee mud mixer is helpful because you can adjust it to your comfort and it helps with holding the drill in place in the bucket.
The mud mixer is cordless, it's lightweight, and it's powerful.
The cordless mixer is made for this trade. It goes through tough material, it's durable, power is all there. Blew my mind.